Dogecoin, brought into the world from a web image, has developed into a genuine computerized cash with a lively local area, pushed by its script calculation for openness and a one-of-a-kind Jabber model. With a culture of magnanimity, microtransaction capacities, and a famous image persona, Dogecoin Jabber apart as an easy-to-use and socially huge digital money. On the off chance that your Jibber for Dogecoin cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Dogecoin Doge will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Dogecoin Doge and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost Jibber. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every Jabber with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also anticipating something so freedom is Jibber incomprehensible. However, we will make in Jabber disappointment. We should begin. Jibber outline. Dogecoin is a digital money that began as a carefree joke in view of the well-known Doge web image highlighting a Shiba Jibber canine. Notwithstanding, what started as a clever idea before long picked up speed, and Jibber turned into a real computerized money with a functioning and excited local area. Sent off in 2013, Dogecoin works on a decentralized and open Jabber blockchain, similar as Bitcoin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is $0.1226 and Doge is as of now position disappointment 8 in the whole Jabber biological system. The dissemination supply of Dogecoin is 144,100 Jibber 1,960,384 with a market cap of $17,671,901,736. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been apple-sourced by 8.21 Jabber in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the Jibber business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Dogecoin is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other Jibber coins. The Doge is down to Jibber 19.82% over the most recent 7 days. The Jibber is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. We anticipate future Dogecoin cost expectations. Doge gauge by Jibber profound man-made brain power helped specialized examination on the past value information of Dogecoin. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Jibber coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Dogecoin market cap, Dogecoin volume, and not many more. Assuming you are Jibber to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Jibber value forecast papaya. Jibber cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.1374 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.1566 with the typical estimate cost of $0.1435 Jabber. Dogecoin value Jibber 2025. As per our profound specialized Jibber on past value information of Doge, in 2025 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.1934. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.2386 with a typical exchanging cost of Jibber $0.2005. Doge value Jibber for 2026. The cost of Dogecoin is Jibber to reach at any rate worth of 29 cents in 2026. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of disappointment 5 Jibber with a typical exchanging cost of 30 cents all through 2026. Dogecoin Jibber value forecast 2027. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2027 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of Jabber $0.4338. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.513 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.4488 Jibber. Dogecoin value Jibber 2028. Dogecoin cost is figured to arrive at a most Jibber conceivable degree of $0.6404 in 2028. According to our Jibber, the Doge cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.7499 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.6584. Jibber value expectation 2029. The cost of one Dogecoin is Jibber to reach at the very least degree of $0.9396 in 2029. The Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.12 with a typical cost of $0.966 all through 2029. Dogecoin Jibber value expectation 2030. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1.34 Gibber in 2030. The ointment cost could arrive at a most Gibber worth of $1.62, with a typical exchanging cost of $1.39 all through 2030. Dogecoin value Gibber 2031. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.95 in 20 Gibber 1. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.33, with a typical cost of $2.02 Gibber all through 2031. Dogecoin Doge value Gibber 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2032 the cost of Dogecoin is gauged to be at around a base worth of $2 Jabber 5 cents. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.38, with the Gibber exchanging worth of $2.85 in USD. Dogecoin value Gibber 2033. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least value Jabber of $4.07. The Gibber cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $4.81, with the typical worth of $4.18. Gibber value figure 2040. Looking at authentic execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't freedom of Jabber outcomes. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $81 Jabber cents. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $94.14, with the typical worth of Gibber $5.31. Gibber value conjecture for 20 applesauce. The reception and true use instances of a digital money are similarly crucial. Gibber with useful applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Dogecoin cost gauge for 2050, Doge is Jabber to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $120.15 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Dogecoin in 2050 is supposed to be around $103 Gibber 3 cents. While the typical cost of the Dogecoin for 2050 is Gibber to be $110.20. Gibber value figure facts. What will be the Doge most Gibber gauge cost for 2024? The Gibber cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $0.1566 toward the finish of 2024. What Gibber will Dogecoin be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Dogecoin will have a base cost of $0.7499 and a most extreme cost of $0.6404 Jabber per Doge. Since Gibber is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. What is the Gibber cost today? Today, Dogecoin Doge is exchanging at $0.1226 with the market cap of $17,671,901,736 Gibber. Is Dogecoin Doge a wise Gibber? Dogecoin's Gibber is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general empower cost rise.